Start of the air show, first plane to display. He really dropped in fast then. So a Spitfire and a Hurricane starting the show about 2 o'clock. This is the Duxford season finale. About 3:30, and the Typhoon's due to display just before 5 o'clock, and as well as lots of other stuff. Filming all of this today handheld, no tripod, in 1080p. I do have a 4K camcorder, but it takes a lot more work to upload stuff to YouTube in 4K. It's not really worth it. And I have heard they're thinking of making YouTube only show 4K videos if you're a premium subscriber, so I don't want to do that anyway. 1080p is good enough. Should look great on your big computer screen or on your TV if you're watching this. Obviously you can attach a laptop that's playing my YouTube videos to your TV and watch them on your TV if you've got a great big 50-inch plasma or whatever. So do that if you want. As you can see, beautiful blue skies here at Duxford here in October 2022. Lovely day for it. Nice little bit of a breeze. It's a beautiful day here. Oh, I can see a contrail about to go right over Duxford. Let's stay with this though. So diving back over the airfield now. I have to say they're keeping well away from the centre line where the crowd is. I guess it's new safety rules, but the thing is, they do display so far away from you when you're at Duxford these days. Just going to quickly get the contrail before it goes into a cloud. Work out what it is later. 52 times. That's about 110. Let's go back to this. I can hear the other plane holding off to the north. Diving down over the runway about now. You might have just heard the scream of a buzzard flying underneath where the plane is. Just seen it. There's a rail strike going on at the moment in parts of England, which is not going to help people getting to the show if you're planning on getting in by rail. And stupidly, Duxford have also decided to not put on a bus service from the Cambridge rail station to here, which they normally do on airshow day. So again, that's not helped. But they have sold out. But again, it all depends on how many tickets they've limited this little show to. It's not a full air show according to them. It's kind of like one of their flying days, but you see how many planes they've got lined up. It's more like a full air show. Anyway, I'll film what I can today and upload them to my YouTube account, so enjoy them. It's heading off to north. There's that contract I was filming earlier. Let's go back to that. Just want to see what it is. 49 times. 96. Can't work out the colours on that. Is that is a 747. It might be that special livery Kalita one. That probably is actually. Right, anyway. So now the Hurricane's done its thing, so now Spitfire's going to start its display. Phone in my hand, reflecting the sun into my eyes. So that was about a 6-minute display by the Hurricane to start the show. coming into a dive above the runway now, pulling up. That's probably the end of his display, the fact that he's doing that, going out towards Falmouth at the moment. So for now I'm going to say click like if you like this, subscribe to me. If you click on playlist and click on creative playlist, you can find all my playlists. Find the one that says Duxford October 2022. Thanks for watching, bye bye.